Testing sound levels here. Testing sound levels. 1, 2, 3. That's the voice level. Okay. Electric ukulele. Now, I'm not hearing anything distorted here. I'm using a Sound City Master Lead 50. It's a guitar head, but I use it for everything. Now the normal channel and the brilliant channel are, I don't know, maybe 3, 4. The master volume channel, though, that's at about 8, which you would never really play unless you're playing a really large venue, because that's loud. Now I got a attenuator on it. That's the Notes Captor X. It's the 8 ohm version. Then a Schroeder 12 PL cabinet. Okay, yes, it's a bass cabinet, but it's got high end to it that a lot of guitar cabinets don't have. And then I'm also using modified MXR 10 band EQ. Okay, and so anyways, yeah, you can hear this is what I would consider a clean sound. Okay, just clean sound. Okay, and now I'm going to just put this on standby. Unplug it. Okay. Hopefully set it down. This is my Fender PJ bass. It's made in Mexico Fender. Custom pickguard on it. And here, look, I just showed you. I haven't modified anything. I haven't done anything different. Just turn the standby off. Okay, and that's a pretty clean bass sound too. I've got the pickups Marcus Miller fashion, just everything flat out. But yeah, I mean, I use the EQ. I haven't changed any settings or anything. Still, pretty good sound. Pretty versatile cabinet, pretty versatile amp, I would say.